We are two uni students absolutely determined to sail around Australia on our vintage 10-metre sailboat. For the past 2 weeks, we've made home here on a remote island situated among the world's largest reef.
Welcome to the Great Barrier Reef!
We got into a routine of morning swims, heading off for a day at the office, and finishing with sunset strolls. And although we are still in the middle of nowhere, we've become a little too comfortable. I'm not sure if we will ever leave Lizard Island, it's just too good. And as they say, if you want to grow, or in our case, fulfill our dream of an Australian circumnavigation, you have to step out of your comfort zone. You see, playing in the back of our heads this whole time has been this next stretch of coast. From here on, we will be completely remote until the next small city or big town of Darwin. And once we lift the anchor here from Lizard Island, we will have really solidified our decision to complete a lap of Australia. We're excited for what's ahead, but we wouldn't be human without being a little nervous, especially because the conditions are forecasted to be wild.
Get your morning faces on, people. We're going sailing.
Welcome to episode 13 of season 2, Over the Top. These next few episodes will get us to the most northern tip of Australia. We are going sailing. It is windy. Our anchor chain really speaks of how long we've been at anchor here. And you can imagine the bottom of the boat is looking somewhat similar. We won't have another chance to wipe off whatever growth there is, as we are soon to be back in croc territory. You know, those huge reptiles with big teeth. Yeah, so guess who's getting in the water now? I do not want to jump in the water. I just got nice and clean, and the sun has just disappeared behind a massive grey cloud, and I do not want to get in the water right now, especially to scrub the hull.
You have to.
We have a hard anti-foul on at the moment, which means any slime that's present will fall right off without the anti-foul coming with it. In previous years, we used an ablative anti-foul, which is designed to wear a thin layer away, and with it, any growth when the boat is moving. Basically, you could barely touch it without being surrounded by an anti-foul cloud. However, now we can take a soft cloth to it. Most of the fluff we want to get rid of is around the waterline, on our prop, and on our transducers, which don't have any anti-foul on them at all.
I'm happy that we got a little scrub in there. That'll definitely see us through for a while. Yeah, because we probably won't be diving on the hull for a while.
Now we can kick Nakama into gear and get her surfing down some waves a little more efficiently.
Oh! Let's get out of here!
So I think we've just decided that we're going to flag the main today. It's quite windy, and I think we'll have a better angle if we just run with the head sail. Hopefully that was the right decision. See how we go, eh?
Pretty well.
Yeah. I knock back the engine?
Yeah.
Goodbye, my beautiful island. Bye, my friends. Oh, I'm feeling sad to leave. It has become home. We've gotten into a routine there, and it was really hard to leave. We were like, you know, we just have to get going again. We're back on the next little bit of our adventure, and this little bit is not gonna have reception for a really long time. So because we rely so much on reception, we're gonna have to take it pretty quickly. Cape York we come. Far out. For those of you that don't know, Cape York is the pointy bit of Australia. Normally only accessible with a 4-wheel drive via an unsealed dirt road. Our first stop on our Cape York journey is Bewick Island, a 40 nautical mile sail from Lizard Island. We will now be on the move every single day, sightseeing a new destination every afternoon before leaving again in the early morning, until we get to the next point of reception, the Torres Strait Islands. How are you feeling about leaving?
Yeah, like my only consideration with it is uni. I could spend months sailing this next line of coast, but we've got to do it in about anything over a week's pushing it, and we're going to push it. But there might be one spot between here and the Torres Strait Islands that we can get internet, and if that works we might bunker down there for a few days, and if it doesn't then we'll probably just have to punch it out. I don't know, sailing wise I'm just really happy that the autopilot's currently working.
Yeah, right? How good's that?
Fuck, so good. We're on. That did not take long. Oh,
do you want me to slow down?
Nah, it's alright.
You sure?
Yep. I'm finally getting line in.
Oh my god!
That's it. It seems big. Oh, it's fighting back again. It seems big, eh?
Oh, I'm so scared. Oh!
Mackerel. Is it a tuna?
I'm so scared. Oh!
Fuck.
And we were just about to reap the rewards when...
Oh!
Oh!
Damn it! There goes lunch.
But then...
We're on again! That did not take very long.
Oh my god!
The shark? Spanish?
Is it? Yeah, that's...
No, it's a shark.
Oh, we caught a shark mackerel the other day on the way out to the reef. They're not bad eating, but they stink. So we decided last night we're gonna fish today, but if we catch a shark mackerel, we'll throw it back and try and catch something else. So we've thrown that one back.
Alright, shark mackerel, but he can go back because they stink.
Be free, fishy.
Until we find a Spaniard that's not going to live again.
Yes.
If we got a nice little... Oh no, it's just... I was like, if we got a nice little schoolie, then I'd be happy with that.
Man, there's definitely no fish shortages out here, eh?
No. Welcome to North Queensland.
Oh!
No, that was a big bite. No.
Did you get off? No, it's still there.
No, I got it.
What is it this time?
Definitely a mackerel again. Please don't be a shark mackerel.
A school?
I think it's a schoolie.
No!
Shit.
Oh no, that was actually a good mackie.
This is ridiculous. At least we're getting better mackerel now. That was a schoolie.
There is definitely no shortage of mackerel out here. Oh my god. This isn't YouTube time and it's like a matter of hours. This has literally all happened in half an hour.
Yeah. Is that 3 fish now?
Yeah, 3.
3. And we haven't landed 1.
Can we slowly build the speed back up, catch a fish, slow down?
Yeah.
A bit of a cycle we're in at the moment. So we are pretty determined to land a good fish because we're running really low on fresh food. We are well and truly on the can and carb diet with a side of onions. So some fresh fish would really be appreciated by us and Chili, who is also running very low on food. We think it is necessary that we do land something here.
Again!
Why did I gotta pull the sail again?
Got it!
Yeah, but
Just relax.
it's dead.
Ah, fourth fish, fourth time lucky.
Oh my god.
The lure is worse for wear, but the new lucky lure has been doing us well. It took us a few to actually land one, but this is going to fill it up nicely. Look at this, lunch. It's a little bit smaller than that shark we got the other day, but just such a better fish. This mackerel, this spotted mackerel here tastes so good. Like, it's pretty big on the filleting table, eh?
It's pretty big.
Yeah, 92, just under a metre.
92 centimetres?
Yeah, a bit in the mid 90s. Probably
Nice.
92, 93.
Nice, baby.
Oh, look at that big meat slab.
This is definitely a trickier filleting situation, hey?
Yeah.
Look at that! That's where the gaff went through, unfortunately. We'll have to cut that out, but look at the size of that fillet.
So good, man. Such a good job. Come on, dude. I was thinking we have to best angle to try and get
Come on, blue sky! Look at it, it's just there. But we're getting followed by a cloud. Boy, that was a big one.
How are you travelling along there, soldier? Oh my god, we just took a wave.
Oh, I just got soaked.
That smashed you. I
got
was like,
so
it
soaked.
came inside. That was huge.
It was crazy. I didn't see it. It came out of nowhere.
Oh, it's so much better sailing in the sun. Like, it makes the sea state's probably exactly what it was without it. When the sun comes out, you're like, oh yeah,
It's alright.
it's alright.
Miles has got us and he's away.
I was picking a pimple. And next thing I look like Miles has overtaken us.
That's what happens when you don't pay attention, eh?
It'll get you. Yeah.
So we're just coming up on Howick Island. Hopefully once we're in the lee of this island, the
Chills out
swell
a bit.
might just, you know, be a little bit kinder to us. It's not too bad, but it's definitely rolly. It'd be nicer without it. We are learning to use the reef to our advantage. We're taking this passage between these islands and the reef, which we are hoping will knock off some of this swell, whilst even increasing our speed. Hey, there's no swell. It's amazing what a different swell makes to the day. How good is this? It's so flat now. We are hooking along so much quicker as well because we're sitting flatter.
Yeah, we're Barry living.
Look out, we are Barry living.
Barry's living. And this is it.
This is it.
This is what you're chasing.
This is what sailing, what's good about sailing.
We're sailing along so nice. Just really lapping up the fact that we're in the lee of this island for a little bit. It's nice to come forward, man. So I'm saying it's like stretching your legs. You've been stuck in a 2-metre cockpit for hours. Now you can go for a bit of a stroll.
Woo! Stretch the legs, do some yoga.
Gems like this, they don't come often. You lap it up when you get it. When we come around out the lee of this island, it might go away again for us. But right now, this is the dream.
Collins!
Oh, they make everything. How good are they?
So good.
Following a shadow down to the graveyard, on St. Gregor, pay my dues. I've been running wild ever since I left the blues. I'm a fighter thief, my queen, I can see the sunlight rising.
How are you going?
Good job. The first leg. That's the first leg
To
It's not the
Cape
first leg of our full trip, but like in a while, you know. First sail in a while, and it was a good one. It was a good sail. I'm happy with that. Good result. Dolphins, fish, nice anchorage. Like, you know, it's not perfect, but it's nice. We thought there was meant to be a beach here. It's not really appearing to be the case, unfortunately.
Oh, sunburn today.
Overcast days get you away.
This island wasn't exactly what we were hoping for, so we don't feel too inspired to go ashore. However, to enjoy our catch, we've invited Miles over for dinner.
Yo, yo, yo! I heard this is where the expert fishermen and women are.
Yeah.
On this boat?
It's not me, it's that lure.
Or is it just the special lure? We'll never know.
Nate, what's second mackerel menu?
We've decided to do sushi. Panko crumbs with fish and frying it up. You can't ever go wrong with panko crumbs and deep fry. And we don't really have anything else. We've got an avo that Miles donated us, and we've got some cabbage, so that's all it's going to be. Panko crumb fish with cabbage and avocado. Hi! What are you doing?
Keeping guard tool, making sure no fish goes to waste.
Oh my god.
Are they
The
good?
crunch on that bite. Sorry.
Woo-hoo-hoo.
Can you hear it?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
That sounds like a nice
Tastes like a really good fish finger, like
Man.
luxury fish finger.
That's the best finger I've ever had.
I want to try one.
So good.
Oh my god.
Good night, guys. We'll see you in the morning. Good morning and welcome to day 2 of sailing to Cape York. 30 knots!
Now this is sailing. Man, this is hectic.
It's really starting to feel like we're in the middle of nowhere. What'd you find?
Like this.
They're not that bad.
Oh my god, I don't know how anyone likes oysters. Oh my god. We'll see you then. And if you made it this far, don't forget to like and subscribe.